There are three main type of documents that you're going to need to file your offer in compromise. The first is the 433 AOIC, the second is the Form 656, and last are your supporting documents. The 433 AOIC is the actual calculation of your offer. Just make sure you're using the most updated version that the IRS has out there. You can quickly check irs.gov for the latest version. The 433 AOIC is 8 pages long. The main idea of this form is to get an idea of your current financial situation, and it calculates the actual offer, which is income less expenses plus equity and asset. With the 433 AOIC, might have limited information and limited spaces within the boxes, and you're more than welcome to have attachments to the 433 AOIC. What you do is you just put towards the top of that paper, make sure it has your name and social security number as well. And if you have multiple attachments, just number each attachment. You would want to disclose the rest of your bank accounts on an attachment, and you could do so regarding any information listed on the 433 AOIC to just explain additional information that you can't quite list or fit in the 433 AOIC form. If you're finding this video is great value, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm definitely providing more tax relief tips. Now, Form 656 with the IRS is the actual offer that you're making to the IRS. The offer that you calculated from the 433 AOIC, you plug it into Form 656. The information that goes on 656 is for the tax years and the tax type that you have IRS tax balances on, in which you're requesting to make the offer on. For payment regarding the offer, if you're low income certification, here's where you certify it. That way no payments are made unless the offer gets accepted. And if you are making payments to the IRS, here's where you actually list down how you're going to be making these offer payments, whether it's going to be the lump sum payment or the periodic payments. Here you're also going to have to disclose where the source of your funds are coming from, whether you're just working to pay this off or if you're borrowing from friends or family. Now, in addition, when you're making payments, here's where you're disclosing whether you're using the EFTPS system of the IRS to make the payments, and if not, you have to include checks. One will be for the application fee, and the other part will be either the first part payment or the 20% initial payment, all depending on which type of offer you're going to be submitting. And the third set of documents is your supporting documentation. The supporting documentation should be everything that you have listed on the 433 AOIC. For individuals, it is 3 months of proof of documents. And if you're in business or you're self-employed, it is going to be for 6 months worth of documents. The type of documents that you should be submitting is proof of income. This could be pay stubs, proof of housing and utilities. This could be a rental lease agreement, mortgage statements, and also your utility bills. And if you're claiming any vehicles, make sure that you're including the vehicle registration proving that you're the owner, as well as the monthly installments and the monthly statements from the car loan. Other proofs of income could be such as if you're paying for childcare for children under 13 years old, if you're also making student loan payments, any type of court order payments such as spousal, alimony, or child support. You have to include at least a copy of the court order and as well as proof of the monthly payments. And keep in mind, once you do submit this packet, down the road, you may need to provide updated information and documents to the IRS if they request so. Thanks for watching. And if you have IRS tax problems or a tax debt you need help in settling, comment the word settlement and my team will reach out and we could go ahead and schedule a free case review.